Hey, I'm Steve Gold, and welcome to my penthouse loft in the heart of Soho. When I bought this loft, it looked nothing like this. The same owner lived here for over 25 years, and I was coming in with my new young family. I wanted to bring it up to today's luxury standards, without compromising what makes loft living so special. So let's go take a look at exactly what I did. The elevator opens directly into the loft and you enter into this expansive great room. Immediately, you notice one of the best characteristics of this loft: incredible light. You've got a western exposure, northern exposure, and 2 of the home's 5 skylights. You also notice the original details, like cast iron and wood columns, and the original ceiling beams that frame the living and dining areas. I also am in love with these floors. These floors are old growth oak from Denmark. They had to be brought in through the windows because they're 16-inch wide and up to 20 feet in length. The beauty of the grain, the intricate butterfly joints, these floors are a work of art in and of themselves. Loft living is all about wide open spaces, but you want each area to be defined and have its own vibe. I designed this place for my family, but also for entertaining. I've hosted over 100 people in this great room while my daughter slept down the hall. We kept all the furniture low profile so we didn't obstruct the sightlines from each area. The dining table is by Andy Kirstens, one of the many pieces I sourced from Europe. The chandelier above the dining table is by a company called Apparatus. And funny enough, the founder Gabe is one of my very dear clients. I've wrapped the walls in Venetian plaster, giving it a slight sheen and lots of texture. It's also a great backdrop for anyone's art collection, including my own. The architectural details continue in the cool curves I brought to the windows, as well as the shadow reveal that I brought to the floor, which makes the walls appear to float. So why don't we float over to the kitchen? I took great care in choosing the materials for this home. This 12-foot island is made from Calcutta Paonazzo stone. You'll notice the curved edges of the countertop, which echo the architectural details of the window. We integrated the cooktop into the stone. Not the easiest for fabrication and installation, but definitely the best for looks. And to be honest, it's incredibly functional as well. The stone continues up the backsplash, we matched the veining, even these bocce outlets are integrated into the stone. These are the design details I love. Custom cabinetry both hides the appliances and provides plenty of storage. And just off the kitchen is a windowed home office, which I consider lucky because I've made quite a few deals there. The private wing has 3 ensuite bedrooms, all pin drop quiet. But follow me into the primary. I designed our bedroom to be cinematic and luxurious, like the hotel room of your dreams. It faces east, so we get beautiful morning light, and 2 walk-in closets flank the king-size bed, which in my home makes everyone happy. You'll notice we preserved the original columns and beams. And at one end of the room is a comfortable seating area for 2. At the other end, a freestanding clawfoot bathtub. I'm a huge fan of functional statement pieces, and nothing makes a statement quite like this. So that's it, my dream New York City loft. I hope you enjoyed viewing it as much as I enjoyed designing it and living it. Till next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.